Intel processors, USB sticks, Waze. Israelis have always been known for their creative and revolutionary spirit, creating startups that bring cutting-edge technologies that influence the lives of millions around the world. We at Dror Israel have embraced this spirit and taken things to the next level of innovation, a unique social startup that will change the face of cities and Israeli society as we know it. It all starts in the ancient city of Akko. We call it the educator's Kibbutz, a new revolutionary design that upgrades the existing educational system we know today. Educators from Dror Israel, an action-based community living a Zionist, democratic, and mission-driven lifestyle, have moved to Akko to aid the city in the many challenges it faces, from high unemployment and undeveloped educational programs to religious controversy and the ever-present threat of missiles from the north. We want to bridge social and economic gaps through education and dialogue, mentoring at-risk youth, holding Hebrew and Arabic language study groups, commemorating holidays in the spirit of democracy, and helping Olim adjust in their respective communities. We believe that we can help build a better society in Akko for all its residents, Jews and Arabs alike. We want to transform it from a mixed city into a shared city that will shine as an example of the possibilities of true, peaceful coexistence. For the last 12 years, we have been operating and perfecting our prototype in a temporary location in Akko. We began as 25 and today are over 100 educators ranging from young counselors fresh out of the army to families with children. We are currently working in dozens of youth centers, schools, and programs directly serving youth from Akko and its surroundings.
In addition, we also run the Jam, a performance space for young creators and starting out musicians. Together, we already affect the lives of more than 4,000 youngsters and are growing by the day. In order to keep up with our rapidly growing success, we need to expand. We found an ideal space, a 4-story structure in the heart of the city that is perfect for our new base of operation. Our educators' kibbutz will operate in a space without fences or walls in order to be inseparable from the local community. Its top levels will house our educators, while the lower levels will serve as an open space where we will expand new projects with Akko's general public. Every major change needs a startup, and we invite you to take part in ours. Together, we can turn this dream into a reality, creating a new educational system that will change society as we know it.